Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a lady Animakore 34. I was married and with only one child, a girl. I had a maid Aichengeta mwana wangu. She was very good, not only with my child, but my husband as well. Dinodaro nekuti I found out they were having an affair after my maid confessed she was pregnant. My husband apologized, takagariswa matare, until I forgave him. Our maid then went for a scan, which confirmed she was expecting twins, vakomana. Zvairwadza, but I dealt with it. So while she was 7 months pregnant, my husband brought her home saying, Tofana ugara naye since akusvitsa madai zake. I just agreed and I told myself, ndo zvatovepo, ndotongotambira. Vedare, it was one thing after the other. And one weekend, vakabuda vese, my husband told me he was going kunobvisa my damages. I was okay with that. Sezo ndo zvazvakaitika, and the sad thing is, I found out kuti anga atuenda kunorora. I left ndikaenda nemwana wangu kumba kwedu. Vedare, I stayed there for weeks. My husband did not even care to come after me. Kumbao, I realized we were straining my parents. So I just decided, let me go back home. Vedare nakashika, maid Uya had moved into my bedroom. She was using my pots, utensils, ndakaperero. I then spoke to my husband, who then said, akabva pamusha pano ndiwe, kana usingafarire zviri kuitika pano buda uende. I just took my bag and left again. At this point, I realized nothing was left for me. All I said, kwavari, was, enjoy your home that you built nemisodzi yangu. My twins aya akabva azvara. Zvisinei, they had development issues. So hanzi vakaenda kunobvunza kwamadzibaba, and he accused me, saying kuti I was at fault, ndindakakonzeresa. Vedare, I have never touched any juju. I am a Christian, andito believer in all of that. So now vakanditi hanzi vauye neni namprofita wavo kuti vana vagadziriswe. Ini, I refused kuenda. Now Vedare, after all that, I started to encounter weird dreams every day. I have dreams of a tall man achindirova daily. The dreams are so consistent, I don't have peace at all. I have gone to churches for prayer, but nothing changes. I only received a call from my husband saying, wakaramba kuti tiende kuna madzibaba, uchaona zvichaitika. So now I am wondering, ndizvo here zviri kuitika? Dzimwe pfungwa dziri kuti, maybe they are right, tongoenda, maybe ndine chigumbu chandakabatira, chakakonzeresa vana kuti vakanganisika. I don't know what to do at this point, Vedare. Please help. I appreciate, should I go back kune murume wangu, tongoenda kune muprofita iyeye, kana kuti ndotsvaga mamwe matano ekugadzirisa zvino. Iyo hot topic yetu yanamhlanje.
Yeah. It's
a mouthful.
Deep. This is deep, eh? It's really deep, but for me it seems like the husband and it was Mshonga. Or the maid.
Dropping.
Yes.
That's what it seems, either the maid or him. Because so it means either the maid or the husband.
Saka apa varikuda, do you feel like kumprofita or kutaura vada unogadzirisa this lady?
That's what I'm thinking. I don't know because number one, why would you threaten me if I didn't do anything? Which I want to say. After he says that, she starts having weird dreams.
But also, can I ask, because I know like people, we always hear people saying, Mashoko ane simba, words have power. Do you believe that maybe even her broken heart could be a contributing factor to what happened to Vana Vakazo Jara?
Yes. In our African culture, words have power. Not just African culture.
Yes.
But kutorwadzwa wakaita nechigumbu nemashoko akazotaura kuti Sara inemba yenyanya makavaka nemisodzi yangu.
Yeah.
Those words are very deep. in the spirit. Like that's mashoka anobata uremu. So zvodoti whoever they were directed to, ndoko anonoenda achinogumara.
Okay, your hot topic here to namhlanje. That's our hot topic for today. So this lady was married to her husband, and the husband became promiscuous. Petsira vaitisa maid numbu, and then maid va kwanisa zvake kubara ma twins. Mukadzi uyu, I think at first she was okay with the situation. She was like,